guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my last video, we got some of the 6.0 parts painted and they turned out so freaking good. If you guys didn't see that video, be sure and check it out because it's awesome. The process was really, really cool. This week our goal is to basically get the rest of the truck ready for paint, but before that, a few videos back, me and Ryan did the brakes on this truck and found that broken brake line. So we ordered a brake line and it finally came in, so we're gonna do this really quick today just so it's done and we can drive this without a screwy brake line. So this is what it looks like. That's it. We got the right size, right?
Yeah.
What size is it? Like
1/4 inch or something.
Yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna tackle this first today. It shouldn't take too long.
No.
No? Okay. You do it. What do you think, Hug? He doesn't like it.
Nope.
So once we get that brake line done, we're gonna go ahead and get these doors off so we can get them ready to get painted this weekend. We just have to do a little bit of unwiring and they should come off pretty easy. So let's just get right into this brake line.
Okay, we do that. Me and Ryan just bent this brake line to match the factory. He did such a good job. Look at Superstar?
what?
You're gonna call me a superstar?
Yeah, you are a superstar.
My first time doing brake line, like bending a brake line like this, so I'm pretty impressed.
Looks great. All right, so we got that brake line bent. We're gonna try and get it in now, right?
Yeah.
So we just got that brake line in. We're gonna bleed the brakes really quick. Ryan's back there and I'm gonna pump them. I don't know how to do something, but are you ready? What's going on, you guys? It is the next morning here. Yesterday we finished up that brake line. Today we're gonna get these front doors off, just the front doors, because yes, finally we found some rear doors. Hopefully we don't have them yet. We're actually gonna pick them up while we're in Columbus. Someone reached out on Instagram, so thank you guys. Hopefully this works out and we're able to pick them up and take them to the paint shop all in one little swoop. We're also gonna go ahead and get my front fender off here and take this down with us just so we have some stuff to paint. We're not really ready to paint the cab yet. We're still looking for rocker panels or trying to figure out a solution on those, but we are gonna go ahead and skip this fender this weekend. We gotta order a new one and it's not gonna be here in time anyway, so we're gonna have to bring this one down the same weekend we bring the cab down. So you guys, we got a lot to do. I couldn't do it without your guys' support, so thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I have so much fun doing this. It's amazing that I get to do this and share it with you. It's what I wanted. I wouldn't want to build this truck and not be able to show you guys because it's unique, it's different, you know. You guys, I just got that door unwired completely and out, and the door can now be disconnected. We did have to trim these well, we didn't have to, but we trimmed these wires to make it easier to get that piece out. 1 and 2, whoever wired, I don't know, somebody did some janky wiring on this, so we just cut it and we'll rewire it and fix it when we put it back together. So I'm gonna start working on the driver's side door and getting that panel off because this will be the next one to unwire and get ready to go with us. those doors off and all the parts loaded in to the truck, and we're running out the door to head to Columbus. So you guys, this truck is going to have a huge transformation, so definitely stay tuned for my next video, and I will see you guys next time.